Tired of projects feeling like a juggling act with way too many balls in the air? I'm going to show you how Basecamp's lineup feature can transform that chaos into a zen-like state of organized productivity in just a minute and a half. First things first, log into your Basecamp account and look towards the top of your screen. You will see a navigation bar near the top. Find and click on Lineup. It's typically located alongside your other Basecamp tools. Now, you're staring at your lineup. At first, it might look simple, but its power lies in its ability to visualize priorities. The default categories are up, next, and later, but you can customize these entirely to fit your workflow. To create your own categories, click the Add a Section button. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to name your new section. Think about how you categorize your work: high priority, in progress, awaiting approval, completed, or even by specific project phases. Typing your desired name and hit Create. OK. Now the magic happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of your projects and tasks. Simply click and drag these items from the left sidebar into the appropriate sections within Lineup. Once your tasks are in Lineup, click on each task card to add notes, set deadlines, or assign owners. This ensures everyone on your team is on the same page. As projects progress, easily move tasks between sections to reflect their current status. Drag a task from up next to in progress to completed, keeping everyone informed. And that's it. You've now transformed your overwhelming to-do list into a visually clear and prioritized roadmap. Using Lineup effectively improves team coordination, ensures important tasks don't slip through the cracks, and ultimately boosts your team's productivity. And remember, Lineup is accessible on all your devices, so you can stay organized wherever you go.